What if your PC could run better after installing MS Office 2010 than it did before? Sounds too good to be true, right? While Office 2010 is a powerful suite, it can be a silent drain on your system's resources. Don't just accept a sluggish computer as the new normal. Stick around, because in this video, I'm revealing the hidden tricks and essential tweaks that will unlock your PC's full potential. Is your PC crawling after installing MS Office 2010? Stop wasting time staring at loading screens. This video is your ultimate guide to regaining blazing fast performance. I'm breaking down the exact performance enhancements you need to make to ensure your system runs smoothly and efficiently. Get ready to experience a noticeably faster computer. No tech wizardry required, just practical, actionable steps. The post-installation jolt. Why your PC feels sluggish, unpacking the Office effect. How even older software like Office 2010 can hog resources on modern systems. The hidden culprits. Background processes, startup items, and indexing that silently degrade performance. Why this isn't just about old hardware. Even new PCs can benefit from these optimizations after a bulky install. Debloat and streamline. Initial cleanup steps. Uninstalling unused Office components. Say goodbye to features you'll never touch. Disabling unnecessary add-ins and comma-ins within Office applications. Optimizing Office's file indexing options for faster searches without constant background activity. System tune-up. Beyond Office. Taming startup programs. Using Task Manager to identify and disable non-essential applications launching with Windows. Freeing up disk space. Cleaning temporary files, old Windows Update files, and download folders. Updating drivers. Ensuring graphics, chipset, and other critical drivers are current for overall system stability. Advanced tweaks for peak performance. Adjusting virtual memory, paging file settings for smoother multitasking. Disabling visual effects. Making Windows visually lighter for a snappier feel. Power plan optimization. Setting your PC to high performance when needed for demanding tasks. Maintaining the momentum. Long-term strategies. Regular disk defragmentation for HDDs or TRIM for SSDs to keep storage efficient. Scheduling periodic system cleanups and health checks. The importance of a good antivirus and anti-malware solution to prevent future slowdowns.